Throttle off. Whew. A little close to me. A little far on my target, but made it. Alright, I came out to the field today. Today's Sunday, and pretty sweet. There was like 3 paramotor here, paragliders, just chilling out. Actually pretty loud. Looks like that's a 1-seater, but he launched from that side or he came up. I just saw him. He's coming around. I saw another paraglider down this way. There's one way down there. You probably can't see it on camera. I do have this on narrow mode right now. I'm going to attempt to try to fly. So it's the same field on this side, right over the retention pond. The wind is coming this way, so I'm going to try to come left to right to land. I brought, I think, 4 planes today. 1 battery each, 1 or 2 batteries. As long as they stay over there, it should be good. Let's see what I got. I got another one that's a maiden flight. Got the Skylar, I think that's a 900 millimeter lower wing. Should be pretty chill. I do have a gyro in that. Of course, I got this wing. Guy just waved at me. It's flying pretty low right now, so this is their flying spot. That's pretty cool. I'll probably have to come back here maybe today or a couple of days because I forgot my adapters. I might have enough time. It took me about 20 minutes to get here. He's just kind of doing some circuits around here. Hopefully he goes further down. But he just came around from right here. Came low, checked me out, said hi. It's pretty cool. I think he's coming back around. Okay, he's coming back down. There's a school somewhere in Orlando, like west of Orlando towards Winter Haven, I believe, that you can learn to fly these, get certified. Seen some videos, it's pretty cool. It's coming overhead. Here he comes. There he is right there. I'm not going to attempt to show the video, but I tried to launch this wing with the camera up high and it was just super off balance. The CG was way off. It just did a bunch of flips backwards, and luckily it landed on this wing tip safe enough where I can glue it back on. It did fracture underneath. Got plenty of glue to fix that. So I don't have a battery adapter for this glider or the pusher jet, fortunately. All right, this guy's way over there. Let's try and get this up in the air. Wind is still about to my right, a little bit forward this time. Hand launch, it's got a gyro like I mentioned. Had it on stability mode. I think I'm gonna just take it 70% throttle level. If it goes down the hill, I have to go get it. Hopefully not. Alright, not bad. Use some up elevator. Oop, gyro is way too strong. Gyro off. This is a 3S 2200. That was about 60% power. Let me give it a little bit more. I think he might have spotted this plane, so I'll keep it right around here. Give it a roll, very quick rolls. Turn on the rates on that. Well, so far so fun. I forgot my screwdriver to adjust the gyro. This is all manual, no gyro right now. Let's try a loop. little bit so I can land on this patch. And do a whiz by. 3S 2200. Full throttle. Very twitchy. Drop of that pole. Some aileron banking right there. Full throttle the whole way. Do some rudder turns. Rudder only. Full throttle. Pole. That was very close to that pole. I am going to turn down those rates. It's very fast. Maybe just adjust the throws manually on the servo linkages. Cuban 8. It's a maiden flight. That tail looks like it's wobbling. I don't know. That rudder. Maybe not. Yeah, it is. That rudder's fluttering. It's weird. Let's do another whiz by. Watch out for that pole. Take it down. Try and come head level. Yeah, that rudder is really knocking. All right, time to land. Timer is out. See if we can do a glide slope. Throttle off. Whew. A little close to me. A little far on my target, but made it. Full throttle. Try a loop. Timer's out. I'm gonna bring it in. Now let's figure out our glide slope here. Take it down. Let's try to do a 2 o'clock coming in. There might be just one battery because it's getting very dark. Ooh. Oh no!